Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you basically what is an appointment setting and what is or who are appointment setters, right? So, okay, let's say you have an Instagram account, right? You have an Instagram account, right? You are basically selling a coaching, right? Coaching or something else, maybe info product, right? Info product, that's courses, stuff like that, right? Or coaching, done with you services, right? Anything like that, right? And you have basically on IG, you have your content, right? So you have your content. You're posting content on your stories. You're posting content on your, on your feed, and that content is driving people to message you basically in your DMs, right? To message you in your DMs. Now, appointment setters are basically in your DMs. So when you hire an appointment setter, they are in your DMs, right? And whenever someone messages you, they are closing them for a sales call, right? Sales call, right? So after an appointment setter sets a call with you, for example, or maybe your salesperson, right? Or maybe someone that is working for you that is selling the service or the info product or the coaching for you, right? And let's say you sell them for $1,000, right? You sell them for $1,000 and you give 5% to appointment setter, right? So basically, appointment setters or appointment setting, right, is a type of job where an appointment setter will actually, message the prospect, right, and will book a call with that prospect, right? So the only thing that appointment setter is doing here is it's scheduling calls, right? Scheduling calls, getting people on the call, selling them for the call, right? Or preparing them for the call. And then basically after the appointment setter sends the call, and after someone closes, so someone needs to close that lead that appointment setter sends to a sales call, then appointment setter will get 5%, or maybe in some cases 10%, right? But usually it's around 5 to 10%, right? And that's pretty much the job of appointment setter, right? To close leads for a call, or to prepare them for a call, or to send them to a call. Now, this is just a simple funnel. How it works on Instagram. This can be this can be replicated on really any platform online. But that's pretty much what an appointment setting is and how it works. So if you have any questions around this, you can comment down below. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.